Hello friends, welcome to Team Knowledge channel, and in this how to video I'm gonna show you how you can fix incoming calls problem or incoming calls not showing on display problem in Vivo Y53s. So first of all, just don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon if you're first time on this channel. Let's start our video without wasting any time. So to fix incoming calls not showing or any problem you are facing regarding incoming calls in Vivo Y53s, simply first of all you just need to open call settings. So first of all just tap on call settings and just do the same as I'm showing you in this video. So this will fix your problem.